land market, if it will be privatized, will attract more financing, more funds. There's no other issue declared somewhere in the air from politicians. I would disagree with the statement as what was presented today by my colleague, that we as a bank, we finance agriculture with pleasure. We don't need too much pledges, especially in terms of land. We have pledges for real estate, hundreds, thousands of objects, and we know how problem could be if we manage our business by pledge. So asset-based products are not too much in favor to increase lending. Lending is based on effective business. And today, agriculture in Ukraine, to our knowledge, to our experience, is one of the most productive and most financially stable sectors of economy. So that's the main argument and trigger to us to lend money. So if land is not the ownership on land is not the main argument to finance, what is the other argument? To get more transparency, yes and no. So to have better registration, right, but that's not directly linked to financing. Thank you.